computer visions. What's going on next? And then here is the same logo, the Huawei Softcom overview. Means that we want to see how the works, evolutions moving forward since 2 or 3 years. So this is talking about actually says if you're moving forward, what's the network look like? And we call Softcom. They include 4 parts, actually 4 parts of it. The first one you're talking about is called software-defined network. You can make a network open. And another one is what says if you do a lot of service, how to separate service from hardware. Then you can enable the service very flexibly to enable agile. And do a lot of computing, it's cloud computing based, and you can enable the service quickly. And then make internet as a platform. So this is the company visions moving forward. If you say the future network is open, is agile network, and a very flexible network service, and then you can become all like internet as a platform. That's kind of. So we actually use these slides and give like industry says here how to see for moving forward each area how to apply this concept. Like first it says if you're doing network controllers and their side, what's the benefit? You can cut down OpEx. You can fully leverage your pipe. It's called smart TE called traffic engineering to how to control the traffic. That's very benefit is if you have congestion, it's very easy to go to different alternative paths. That's the one thing. Another thing is if you're doing like a lot of like functional virtualizations, you can easily to scale your new service. And you can say if you're moving forward, you can very efficient operate your network and then upgrade your network very quickly. So that's some benefit to do it. And if you go here, the cloud computing is already talking about the last 2 years. Right? If you talk about cloud computing, they try to virtualize computing resources among the data centers, all the IT service. So if you combine them together, you can easily grow if you enable a lot of cloud computing based infrastructure. And the last one is if you go back here, you enable like internet as a platform, and you can easily based on it build up a new business, right? You can enable a new business model and to help a customer to do it. So that's 4 parts to drive all the industry moving forward. Yeah. It's just talking about if you apply each areas. So that if you say this entire network architecture from access, like aggregation, typically core network, like some is optical, some is IP, and all can apply this concept for each area. So. And this just talk about our like roadmap. If we say moving forward, and like 2 years from now, 1 year from now, what do we want to do, right? So right now we sit in 2013, and we already work with different operators and work on different areas. You see, like this one is we work with China Mobiles and for the mobile backhaul side. And this is for the telecom, also for the mobile back, how to leverage this concept to do it. And like different area, we have different customers work together. And if you say they're willing to commercially deploy it, and we will continue to build as a product for them. So moving forward, we'll continue to go to maybe data center side, how to enable data centers, and also physical cloud BB in the mobile space. And a lot of InnoB will cover together. You can fully leverage network resources. Yeah. So, did you get some sense?
Yes.
Okay.
It's
good.
okay. Thank you about FBB solutions.
What's that?
About this solution.
FBB solutions. Actually, if you check, let me see. I want to see. Here, this is kind of. Let's quickly talk about because FBB usually talking about is fixed broadband, right? If your home have DSL, maybe cable, fiber to home, let's go step by step moving forward to IP network. So we're talking about when you're moving fixed broadbands, the kind of existing network moving forward must be simple and flat, and in order to operate the network easily. So you can see moving forward, we confirm like access. We still have access there. Touch screen. I need to. Sorry about that. Okay. So this is just architecture levels. If you're doing this one, just try to consolidate them together. You see, make network much easier to operate. So this kind of architecture level. If you have typically have 5 layers, right? So moving forward, say if we can cut down 3 layers, become much easier to do it. That's the idea, to build up like FBB solutions. And also we have different technologies try to build up pipe. We build up faster routers. We build up fastest optical switch. So if you consider end-to-end, that will be FBB solution from our side. That's the idea. Yeah.
Thank you.